Students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So, today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is lesson number 7, Air and Water. And today we are going to study about the atmosphere and its layer. And this is part 1. Do you know the different name of air? We call it wind, storm, breeze and hurricane. So they have different intensity. Now, can you guess the name, the thing that you cannot see but you can feel it? क्या होती है वो चीज जिसको आप देख नहीं सकते but you can feel it, and we need it for breathing. हमें we breathe in and we breathe out, and we need to inflate the tires or the balloons and to fly aeroplanes, and it is present everywhere. What is the name? Yes, try fast. That is air. Yes, you are right. This is air. Air is present everywhere, but we cannot see it. We can only feel it. Sorry. So, what is the atmosphere? The blanket of air surrounding the earth is known as atmosphere. The atmosphere of the earth is the layer of gases surrounding the planet earth that is retained by the earth's gravity. Right? So, what is atmosphere? The thick layer of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. And you know, it extends from the surface of the earth to hundred of kilometers above it. Do you know how? Due to the gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere at its place, right? So the atmosphere protects the life on the earth by absorbing ultraviolet solar radiations. So atmosphere is present on the planet earth, and it protects the earth from the ultraviolet radiations of the sun, right? They are very harmful. They can cause skin disease, also skin cancer, and warming the surface through heat retention, greenhouse effect. So they keep the earth warm. The atmosphere keep the earth warm and reducing temperature extremes between day and night. So what is atmosphere doing? It keep the balance during the day and night. That's why on the planet earth the days are not so hot as compared to other planets, and nights are not so cool as compared to other planets, right? Now let us, and the atmosphere is made up of nitrogen and oxygen. 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. Now earth's atmosphere, again I am explaining you. The earth atmosphere is the layer of gases surrounding the planet. The earth is surrounded by a blanket of air which we call the atmosphere. So earth atmosphere is the blanket of air around the earth, and it reaches over 560 kilometers from the surface of the earth. So earth से कितने ऊपर तक atmosphere फैला हुआ है? 560 kilometers. So atmosphere absorb the energy from the sun. So what is the function of atmosphere? It absorbs the energy from the sun. It recycle water and other chemicals. It protect us from the high energy radiations and the frigid vacuum of the space. The atmosphere protects and supports life. So atmosphere is very important for us, right? Now there are 5 layers of atmosphere. So these are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Now we will study about them in detail. So first is troposphere, the bottom layer of the atmosphere. It is the bottom layer of the atmosphere and it stretches to about 11 kilometer. ये कहाँ तक फैली है? 11 kilometers तक. And temperature decreases with the altitude. जैसे जैसे हम ऊपर जाते हैं वैसे वैसे temperature कम होता जाता है. Where weather condition happen, जहाँ पर आपका weather conditions होती हैं. With vertical air currents. ठीक है, कैसी होते हैं यहाँ पर एयर करंट्स? वर्टिकल. एंड इट कंटेन्स 75% ऑफ द एयर, मोस्टली नाइट्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन. राइट. नाउ stratosphere. So stratosphere is the second layer of the atmosphere. ये एटमॉस्फेयर की सेकेंड लेयर होती है एंड इट एक्सटेंड्स अप टू 50 किलोमीटर एंड हियर विद हॉरिजॉन्टल एयर currents, right? So this is the vertical and this is horizontal. So here the horizontal air currents are flowing. Temperature increases with the altitude. और temperature यहाँ पर increase होता जाता है जैसे जैसे हम ऊपर जाते हैं. And it contains the ozone layer in the upper layer, upper region. इसमें ओजोन की लेयर होती है. ओजोन का फार्मूला होता है O3, where most jet planes travel through. यहाँ पर जेट प्लेन्स ट्रेवल करते हैं. And it contains 24% of the air. Right? Have you understood? Now the mesosphere. So meso means middle. So it is the third layer of the atmosphere, or you can say the middle layer of the atmosphere, and it extends up to 80 kilometer. ये 80 kilometer में फैली हुई है. And here the temperature decreases with the altitude. जैसे जैसे हम ऊपर जाएंगे temperature डिक्रीज होता जाता है. इट इज़ द कोल्डेस्ट लेयर. ये बहुत ही ठंडी लेयर होती है. वेयर मोस्ट मीटियोर्स बर्न अप. यहाँ पर जैसे ही मीटियोर्स पहुँचते हैं वो यहाँ पर बर्न अप हो जाते हैं, मीन्स जल जाते हैं. राइट. सो mesosphere is the third layer of the atmosphere. It extends from the stratosphere to approximately 58 miles high. ये stratosphere के 58 miles high तक extend है. It is the coldest layer of the atmosphere. ये coldest layer है and इसका जो temperature है -130 degree Fahrenheit to or -90 degrees Celsius near the top. And this is the part where the most meteors burn up. यहाँ पर जितने भी आपको meteorites ये आपको burning दिखाई देते हैं या meteorites जल जाते हैं. You have studied about the meteorites. So these layers protect the earth from meteor object and space objects that are earthward. That earthward, जो भी अर्थ की तरफ आती हैं ये सारी यहाँ पर ही ख़त्म हो जाती हैं, तो ये कभी भी हमें हार्म नहीं पहुंचा पाते. सराउंडिंग रॉकेट्स एंड अदर मे गो अप टू द mesosphere. Sounding rockets and other may go up to the mesosphere. I hope this is clear to you. Now, bye bye.